Oh, mixer time. All right, check your names on the left, guys. Last break of the night. Appreciate everyone hanging out with us. We're going to start with Score Hybrid. A lot of out of 20s in this. A lot of good stuff. Another good personal rip. I know wax is super expensive right now. I do recommend 2020 Prestige. Also, this hybrid, you can get them pretty cheap, especially compared to the market, and you get a lot of value. If you're looking for hits, maybe go with Prestige over hybrid, but you get a lot of value in these, a lot of out of 20 parallels. If you can hit the right rookies out of 20, really still get that risk aspect in there. See what we got. Base on front. Scorecard, Tyler Lockett. T. Higgins, NFL Draft. Breakthrough, Josh Jacobs. Eno and Cole McDonald. Gerald McCoy scorecard, Panthers. Celebration, Buffalo Bills. All Hands Team, DJ Chark. Jonathan Taylor and Christian Fulton rookies. Ward, Jaceki, Williams, Fitzgerald, Flowers, scorecard, Grant Delpit. Fantasy Stars, Watson, Fuller, and Jones. That is a Texan card. Under the Radar, Joe Scobert, Edwards, and Jones Jr. Tunzel, Chung, Peterson, Butker, Drew Brees. It's a 50. We got Gold Zone Matt Stafford for the Lions. 43 of 50. Jared Pinkney, NFL Draft. Breakthrough, Chris Godwin. Nice Tua rookie for the Dolphins. And Raekwon Davis. Come on now. Boxes. Some of them I've seen loaded. We hit like 2 to 3 in every pack, but this one's holding out on us. Jimmy G scorecard. Fantasy Stars, Allen, Brown, and McCaffrey. Under the Radar, Devontae Parker, Hodgkins, and Bryant. Devontae Freeman scorecard, Falcons. CJ Henderson, NFL Draft. All Hands Team, Julian Edelman. Darrington Evans and Jacob Eason rookies. Fitzpatrick, Brady Jacobs, Slayton Debo, Zach Bond rookie scorecard. Celebration, Seahawks. Breakthrough, Derrick Henry. Kendrick Rogers, Patrick Taylor. Isabella to 100, Thaddeus Moss. 72 of 100, nice blue rookie. Jerry Jeudy, NFL Draft. Under the Radar, DJ Chark, James Morgan, and Curtis Weaver. Oliver Vernon, Haskins, Adams, Lattimore, Brandon Cooks scorecard. Jonathan Taylor, nice rookie. All Hands Team, Austin Eckler. Rookies, Devin Duvernay and Albert O. Box was stingy. Hearns, Fuller, nice Patty Mahomes. Carson Wentz, Shaquille Griffin, Kirk Cousins scorecard. Fantasy Stars. Patty Mahomes, DeMarcus Robinson, Dalvin Cook. That's a Chief card. Tannehill under the radar. Harrion and Chasen. Alright, let's go over to Chronicles. Alright, James Parash out of Prestige. Chase Young out of Chronicles. CeeDee Lamb Press Proof Green. Crown Royal Kevin Davidson. And a nice Joe Burrow out of Spectra. There you go, Bengals. A little Burrow action there, Anthony. Rodney Smith. Playoff, we got Gabriel Davis. Chase Young out of Certified. Julian Aquara. And Anthony Gordon Certified. Michael Hasty. Justin Herbert. Patrick Taylor out of Phoenix. Not numbered. Got the blue. Cole McDonald and Adam Trotman out of Select. Mims, Lipscomb, rookie out of Playoff. Jalen Hurts, red rookie out of Phoenix. Not numbered. Very nice. Eagles. Sean McKeon and Colby Parkinson out of Elite. Herbert, Jonathan Taylor, DJ Dallas, blue out of Crown. Bryson Hopkins, and a nice Jerry Jeudy Phoenix for the Broncos. T. Higgins, Thaddeus Moss, Brian Edwards, Tua, nice Crown Royal rookie going to Miami, and CeeDee Lamb XR. Trotman, Hightower, CeeDee Lamb goal line rookie, Patrick Taylor out of Crown Royal, and Colin Johnson optic rated rookie. Benjamin Victor, Jerry Jeudy rookie out of Playoff. Justin Herbert, nice red out of Absolute. Chase Young out of Crown Royal, and another Tua limited Phenoms. Darius Anderson, Cheyenne O'Grady, rookie. Hasty, got the blue. Denzel Mims and Brian Harrion Spectra rookie. Joe Burrow, rated rookie out of Donners for the Bengals. Brandon Ayuk, playoff rookie. Antonio Gibson, red optic rookie. Justin Herbert out of Crown, and Justin Jefferson Absolute. Jake Breland, Devon Hamilton, Ohio State Buckeyes rated rookie. That's thick stuff. Jaguars, Jacksonville, Peter. There you go, buddy. Getting on the board. LaVisca, Anthony Gordon out of Crown, And Darius Anderson Select. Ahmed Chua, Donruss rated rookie. J.K. Dobbins red. Isaiah Simmons crown base. And Bryson Hopkins certified. All right, do gold standard last. Let's get some prestige going here. One. And 2. Good luck, guys. Should have 2 autos per. Fred Warner, Travis Kelce, Gus Edwards, Ty Montgomery, Chris Conley, Jags again. All right, Peter. Jags heating up a little bit here. Extra points auto. We got Christian Kirk, number to 100 for the Cardinals. Patrick Mahomes, worldwide Mexico game. Rookies, Jacob Eason, Van Jefferson, and Grant Del Pitt. Foster Elliott, Greedy Williams, Sony Michel, Corey Davis. Number to 50, Deontay Johnson, Impressions for the Steelers. Very nice insert. Youth Movement, Patrick Mahomes. His inserts are doing pretty good right now. T. Higgins, Jonathan Taylor, and Darrell Taylor. Ever since he signed that contract, his prices are booming even more than usual. Thornhill, Williams, Aaron Donald, Fournette, Traquan Smith, Von Miller, numbered 44 of 75 for the Broncos. Deshaun Watson inside the numbers. Rookies, DeAndre Swift, Marlon Davidson, and Jedrick Wills. DeMarcus Lawrence, Von Miller, Alshon Jeffrey, Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Ben Roethlisberger, Derek Brown, Draft Day, Carolina Panthers. That's going to Bill. There you go, Bill. Derek Brown, rookie auto. Bo Jackson. Rookies, AJ, Brian Edwards, and Chase Claypool. Thompson, Finley, Conley, Dwayne Haskins, Desmond Patman for the Colts. Patrick S. on the board. Colts had a ton of picks. They've got almost all their guys in all the checklists. Extra points auto. Geno Atkins to 25 for the Bengals. Anthony, little short print there. Nick Chubb, powerhouse. Rookies, Jake, Xavier McKinney, and Harrison Bryant. Smith, Drew Lock, Deshaun Jackson, Kenny G. Hunter Renfrow, TJ Watt, extra points, numbered to 100 for the Steelers. Impressions, Darius Leonard. Rookies, Terrell Lewis, Tristan Wirfs, and Brandon Ayuk. Kenyon Drake, Nick Mullins. Kirk Cousins, Nate Orchard, TJ Hawkinson. Rookie extra points, Josh Ook to 75, Patriots. Worldwide, Travis Kelce, Mexico game. Rookies, Antonio Gibson, Michael Pittman Jr., and James Morgan. Last pack for Prestige. Tyreek Hill, Joe Mixon, Chris Godwin, Tyler Lockett, Jordan Scarlett, James Morgan for the Jets. New York Jets. Shannon. There you go, Shannon. Shannon in the room? She might not be. Nice little QB auto. Yep, I can do that, Corey. I'm going to try to have everything, the labels done tonight, so if you just want to shoot me a message and AJ Terrell, KJ Hill, and Chase Young, I can do that for you, buddy. That's no problem. Gold standard, guys. Good luck. We did pull that very nice auto for Corey, but that's nothing too crazy in the RPA, so let's hope we got one lurking here. All right. Jason Huntley to 75. Detroit Lions. There you go, Peter. Next, Ryan Tannehill to 99. Tennessee Titans. We go Nicole. First up, Marlon Mack for the Colts to 49. Colts going out to Patrick, 37 of 49. Solid white jersey there. Next up, Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos to 225. Newly minted. Solid orange piece there. There you go, Carlos. Little Jeudy jersey. Golden boots. Jake Elliott to 99. Got a kicker auto. Going out to the Eagles. Jake. 64 of 99. Golden boots. I like that. Jordan Brooks to 199. Seattle Seahawks rookie auto. That's going to Bert. 183 of 199. All right, last one. It is a quarterback. It's not the one we expected. To 49, James Morgan. Rookie patch auto. Shannon. Very nice. 27 to 49. Two-color chunky patch there, James Morgan. Nice gold ink. There you go, Shannon. That's how you finish it out. Very nice. Alright, guys. That's going to do it for us tonight. Appreciate the support. Like I said, we're going to get to work, make sure everything gets sorted, packed up, and hopefully all the labels will be done by tonight and hit the post office first thing tomorrow. So we'll be back Wednesday, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to take some time, get everything listed for next week. So appreciate the support. Thank you for another fun night, guys. You guys have a good one. We will see you next time.